behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Noise. No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back. All the way back.
All the way to the Big Bang?
95% certain.
Which means there's a 5% chance we're just in a tunnel.
A tunnel? In space?
We've seen weirder things, Quill.
Oh, Christ.
This bastard game?
The Big Bang!
Let's see, Peter.
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
There it is! We got the generator!
You have no idea how to use it.
Oh, yeah? We'll see about that.
Rocket, get us home.
You know what would really help? An instruction manual. We get that all the time. Rocket, anytime. Okay. Let me try this. You made just fun.
Milk gives me gas.
Quill, we're here. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Nova Team, link your star blasters. We have them contained, but not for long.
I won't. Would have been perfect.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect. Quill, okay.
We're back. Locking coordinates for Echo.
It's F.
Remind me to raise our rates.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that cake toast?